That's right, folks. If you hear that jingle, you know we're in this one place. That's right. We are here at Menards here in West Bend, Wisconsin. And guess what they just installed? That's right. It's a brand new Schumacher hydraulic elevator. Brand spanking new Menards with a Schumacher. Menards elevator. That is a Schumacher. Set the two. Here we're up on two. Let's go back down to one. And the lanterns up there like always. And let's get a cab view. It's a nice cab for a brand spanking new Schumacher. And does run really smooth like always. It's got a blue Acme indicator, usual C's buttons, and the usual 4,500 volt capacity. Well, this is officially Wisconsin's 18 Menards store with a Schumacher. This is like the most recent Menards elevator installed with a Schumacher here in the state of Wisconsin. This is the 18th known location to have one. And it's already running smooth. How about that? There it goes. And that is going to do it.